This week we'll be making an origami bee. We're going to start with our paper color side down, and we're going to do 2 taco folds to create a cross in the middle. On the bottom. We're going to open our paper up and bring this top corner to the center point we just created. We're now going to fold our ends in on an angle like this. We're going to fold our corners in. Fold them a bit out again. Now we're going to the top corner here. Bring that down a bit. Flip our entire paper over. And use a marker to add detail. And there's our bee.